The battle between Aki and Power. They are both like brother and sister to Denji. Power is a blood fiend that makes her way stronger than a regular commoner like Aki. When Aki starts using his contract with Kon, he becomes a low-level devil hunter. It's a big boost that makes him stronger than Power. Overall, Power's lack of experience and the fact that she's a coward when it comes to fighting let us think that she can't unlock her full potential until she fixes those. In the meantime, Aki gets stronger as he starts to use his second devil contract, with the Cursed Devil. In the fight with Katana Man, Aki sacrificed his contract with Fox Devil and Cursed Devil to protect his friend, but even that was not enough. The contract with the Future Devil lets him stay in the public safety, otherwise he would have to resign. Power, on the other hand, gets stronger as things go on, and this time Aki is the losing one. Aki, due to his bravery, is able to win with Power when she is scared after the events in Hell, but that's only temporary. Aki as a gun fiend would give Power a hard time, but in the end, in our opinion, Power as a blood devil would win with Aki. But who is the winner overall? The strength of those two since the start of the series was pretty close, which makes it hard to say who is truly stronger. In my eyes, Aki is the one who was stronger most of the time, and he's the winning one in this battle. Do you think the same? Is Aki stronger than Power? Let me know in the comments. I can recommend you one of my best videos here, make sure to check it out.